Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I know it's been a minute, but you know what? We gotta do what we gotta do sometimes. Now, I'm so glad to be back. Now, let me introduce you to my coconut, seafood, and sausage pasta. Stay tuned.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. Ask anybody boy. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important. For
So here I have some vine tomatoes. I've got some red and white onions, and I've got a few garlic cloves. Now I'm just gonna lightly season this with some salt and pepper, and I'm also gonna add some dried mixed herb. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of olive oil on this, and then I'm gonna put this in the oven for about half an hour. In a pan now, I'm going to start to cook my seafood. Now I have some crab legs here that I'm just going to put in the pot. I'm using both king crab legs and snow crab legs. Now I've just put this in the water with some fish stock, and I'm just going to let this boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm also going to put in my sausage at this point, only because my sausage is frozen and I want it, to not be frozen. So I put my sausage in and just let everything just come to a boil. Once all of that's been boiled up, I'm just going to de-shell the crab. Now, during this time, you can go ahead and cook your pasta. Now, after about half an hour, this is what my veg is looking like. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put it all in a bowl, and I'm going to use my hand blender to just blend it up until it comes to a smooth liquid. See all that juice is there? Just make sure you add that as well. We don't waste anything around here. Now in a pan with about roughly a tablespoon of oil, I'm just going to lightly fry my sausage, just to give the outside of them a little bit of coating. My pot got a little bit too dry, so I added in a little bit of butter. Now I'm going to add in my shrimp, and I also have some green lip mussels as well. Now you just want to fry these for about, I'd say, 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes per side, depending on the size of your shrimp. Once your shrimp is cooked, remove them and just put them aside, because we don't want them to get overcooked. Now you can also go ahead and remove your sausage as well. Now once I remove the sausage, I'm just going to go ahead now and add in my mussels, cook them off for about a couple of minutes. And then I'm going to add my crab meat. And I'm just going to lightly season this now with some Creole seasoning and some smoked paprika, roughly about a teaspoon. Now I'm gonna just go in now with my tomato mixture. Once I've added in the tomato mixture, I'm gonna go ahead now and add about half a cup of coconut milk. Now this coconut milk was in the freezer, so I need to give it more time to just, you know, thaw out, but it doesn't take long. You know, after you've added in your coconut milk, just let it come to a simmer for about 10 minutes. Now, optional, I do like to add a little bit of garnish, so I'm gonna go in with some dried parsley flakes. And also taste your pot, because if it needs more seasoning, you can add it. You can add salt if you want, but I just wanted to add a little bit more of that Creole seasoning. Another optional, you can add a little bit of dried red chilies. Now I'm gonna go ahead now and add back my sausages. And then I'm just gonna go ahead now and add my pasta and just, you know, let that pasta just soak up all of that sauce. Now at this point, you can go ahead and turn your flame off. Now throughout this whole process, I was using a medium heat. Now add back your shrimp. And there you have it, guys. Your coconut seafood pasta is ready to be served. Just garnish it now with a little bit of parsley. Now at this point I am using fresh parsley because I just think it make it look all pretty. And you know, over here we eat with our eyes. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up for your girl, and if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. For my returning subscribers, big up on yourself. Now guys, tell me, would you eat a bowl of this? Give me a big thumbs up if you would, and leave me a comment down below. My coconut seafood and sausage pasta, listen, from my kitchen to your eyes. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video, guys. Bye.